Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter exponents, exercise 5b in page number 75. Let us see question number 6. If m is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 2, find the value of first bit m square plus n square minus 2mn. 2 into m into n, m square plus n square minus 2mn. So this is the question where m is identified. We have to substitute minus 2. In the place of n we have to substitute 2. Then we will simplify and we will get the final answer. Let us see. M is minus 2 whole square plus n value 2 given, so that n is replaced with 2 whole square minus symbol dropped 2, same m value minus 2 into n value 2. Okay, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, so only 4 with plus symbol, again plus 2 square, 2 square is 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, minus into minus, minus into minus gives you plus, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If we add all the digits, 4, 4, 8, 8 and 8, 16, that will be the answer for the first bit in the question number 6. Then if we go for second one, m to the power n plus n to the power m. Now m value minus 2 as a base and whole to the power n value 2 as the power, plus n value 2 and power is minus 2 because m is minus 2 there. Minus 2 whole square, that means minus 2 into minus 2 gives you 4, plus 4, plus symbol. Here power is having minus symbol. To remove that power, that minus symbol in the power, we have to bring the whole thing to the denominator with a formula called a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. So 1 by 2 square. This 4 can be written as 4 by 1 plus 1 by 2 square. Answer is 4 because 2 into 2, that is 4. 1 and 4 LCM is 4 only. 1 in this 4 times 4 4s are 16 plus 4 in this 1 time 1 1s are is 1. 16 plus 1 answer is 17 by 4. This can be written as a mixed fraction like this 4 and 1 by 4. 17 by 4 written as 4 1 by 4. This remains the answer for second one. The same way we will go for third one. All of you look at this board. 6m to the power minus 3 plus 4n square. Where m is given, we should substitute minus 2. Where n is given, we have to substitute 2. The remaining things are in the same way. Now 6 taken as it is. Here this number having the power with minus symbol. To remove that minus symbol in the power, the whole thing we have to bring down to the denominator. 1 by minus 2 whole to the power 3. Here 3 is having minus symbol, but now 3 is having plus symbol. Plus symbol again 4, and in the bracket 2 square answer is 4 because 2 should multiply itself for 2 times. 2 into 2 gives you 4. That is only here with the formula a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Then 6 into 1 by minus 2 should multiply itself for 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Within the bracket I have written that plus symbol. 4 4s are 16. Now 6 1s are is 6 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Of course minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. Now 2 table we have used to cancel. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So this can be written as minus 3 by 4 plus 16 written as 16 by 1 for LCM. We have got 4 as the LCM. 4 in this one time, for 1 zar is 4. 1 into minus 3 only, again plus symbol. 1 in this 4 times, 4 into 16, 64. Simplification gives us 61 by 4. That can be given a mixed fraction called 15 1 by 4. This remains the answer for third bit in the sixth question. I hope all these are very clear. In the same manner, one more question is there, that is sixth question only, but fourth bit is there. By this we will complete this exercise as well as this chapter exponents also. Now let us see fourth bit. 2n cube minus 3m. 2n to the power 3 minus 3m. Where n is identified, we have to substitute 2. Where m is identified, there we have to substitute minus 2. The same way we have to substitute now 2 into n value 2 and whole power 3, again minus symbol, 3 into m value minus 2. Is it clear now, students? 2 as it is, 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, minus into minus gives you plus symbol, 3 2s are 6. Now 2 same taken as it is, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 I have written in the bracket as a value of that plus symbol, and the same 6 I have written. Is it okay now, students? 2 8s are 16 and plus symbol and 6. 16 plus 6 gives you 22. This remains the answer for fourth bit in the question number 6. I hope all the teachings what we have taken now are very clear to you. Some are with some laws of exponents we have done in the previous teachings of the same chapter. Now in this sixth question also some formulas we have used like this, and other parts are like a general way of doing only we have done now. Then you have to write all these things in the classwork, and with other part of teaching or the next teachings can be taken in the next class. Okay now, students, thank you.